This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your store. Duplicate the live theme so you can revert if needed. Next, install and authenticate Shopify CLI or Theme Kit because CLI gives file sync and local preview, save time. Once done, create a new template file under Templates with a clear name, for example, Product, Custom, Liquid, or JSON. Make sure to follow the theme's naming convention so Shopify recognizes it. This first step moves you from planning to working copy, enabling safe edits and instant previews. You now build the template structure. Add section tags and schema so the theme editor exposes settings. This is why sections matter. Then edit the template body. Combine HTML and Liquid for dynamic content, and if your theme uses JSON templates, update blocks and settings there. Make sure to reference CSS and JS in the Assets folder and include responsive classes for layout. Once you save and sync with CLI, preview changes locally or in the theme preview to confirm layout and functionality before moving on. You finish by assigning the new template to a product, page, or collection and using the theme preview to validate content and behavior. Test on desktop and mobile, check caching, and run a full checkout to ensure cart and scripts interact correctly. When satisfied, publish the theme or deploy changes via Git and Shopify CLI. If something breaks, restore the duplicated backup theme or revert commits. This single rollback tip saves downtime when Liquid errors or asset paths fail during publish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.